Hey everyone, now I will show you a quick tutorial on how to change someone's height in Photoshop. First, you can just go to layers, click on this layer and duplicate it by holding and dragging into this plus icon. Second, what you want to do is you can just select and go to subject here and just wait for it to load. Alright, so it's all selected now, and what you want to do is you can just hit Ctrl J. Alright, and now you can hold Ctrl and clicking this, and then select this background layer here, and then what you want to do is go to select, modify, expand, change this into 20 pixels and click OK. Okay, now you can just go to edit, fill, change this to content aware, and opacity change this to 100. Click OK. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you can just deselect this and click on this pen tool here and select the object that you want to change the height. Okay, so I've selected my object, and what you're going to do is you need to hit Ctrl Enter to select this. After you click Ctrl Enter, you can just select this layer and hit Ctrl Shift J. After that, you need to drag this layer here and then hit Ctrl T. Alright, you can just resize it now and you can make him taller. Let's just make him like this height. So now you know how to change someone's head in Photoshop. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.